real estate. It's all about location. So this trailer might as well be a mansion. It's got its quirks, but the food is good, and the company is even better. The Stanley Adventure Cook Set is always part of dinner. It's safe to use on camp stoves and grills, and the locking handle extends for cooking and folds to save space when storing. The stainless steel is naturally BPA free. With the Adventure Cook Set, these two are right where they want to be. That's our kind of story. That's a Stanley story. Stanley, built for life.
In the MSR line, we've got 3 categories. We've got our stainless steel, which is extremely durable, scratch resistant, high demand kind of cooking for your mountaineers, your guides, I know I'm going to use it for a long time. It's extremely durable, it's got a great price, and it's going to last you a very long time. The lids double as a frying pan, as a plate as well. Also very durable, stainless steel. They're scratch proof, crush proof, just a classic choice for any camping needs. The simplicity is really what this whole system is about. It just works and it won't break the bank. With the aluminum is a little bit better price point, but also lends itself to the type of cooking you're gonna do. If you know you wanna be cooking like real foods and like just anything that's more than just water, you're gonna get a very durable set as well, but this lends very much to real cooking. The titanium line is ideal for the fast and light, the people who are counting their grams, but yet still need the durability of, say, the stainless steel. Titanium is 45% lighter than steel, but much more durable than aluminum. So you're kind of getting kind of the best of both worlds for stainless steel and aluminum, all just in titanium. It does come in at a little bit steeper price for those features, but for people like alpinists and thru hikers or bike packers who need the durability with titanium, titanium is definitely the direction to go.
Made from high-spec, hard-anodized premium alloy and robust stainless steel components, our Sea to Summit Alpha Pots are extremely lightweight, strong, durable, and provide exceptional thermal conductivity for more efficient fuel use. Our unique integrated patent-pending pivot lock handle rotates in a horizontal plane, locking firmly in place and eliminating the danger of the handle collapsing. The ergonomic handle encased in heat-resistant silicone provides a secure grip with either hand. When not in use, it rotates inwards and locks the lid to the pot, securing the contents safely inside. The lid keep hooks the lid to the pot rim, keeping it off the ground and freeing both your hands. An easy flow strainer lid drains liquids efficiently without losing your rice or pasta. There is a graded volumetric scale on the inside for easy measurement of ingredients. The textured base provides better grip, making pots more stable on camp stoves. Light and packable, yet functional and tough, our Alpha Pots are perfect for solo fast and light through hikes, weekend getaways with your mates, or a week-long family camping trip. The Alpha Pots are available in 1.2, 1.9, 2.7 and 3.7 litre sizes, which can nest with each other, with the other Alpha pans, and with a Delta Light dinnerware for compact packing.
This is the Complete by Gerber. The Complete is designed for users who need a tool that they can cook, clean, and eat with, that's compact, organized, and easy to transport. Not only is the spatula a chassis to hold the rest of the implements together, it's got a silicone edge for scraping and cleaning, got a serrated edge for light cutting duty, and its glass-filled nylon construction is rigid enough to be a real spatula and withstand high temperatures. The Complete also includes a fork and a spoon, either of which can be used to convert the spatula into a pair of tongs. Also included with the Complete is a 4-function solid-state multi-tool that includes a package opener, can opener, bottle opener, and vegetable peeler. The Complete's nesting design makes it easy to transport, and its aluminum and glass-filled nylon construction makes it corrosion resistant. All that, and it also weighs less than 2.5 ounces. The Complete is available in silver, onyx, flat sage, and burnt bronze. Organization can be key when it comes to setting up a camp kitchen. The Complete takes care of all that by nesting together and staying clean.
Today we are talking about the Jetboil Zip. The Zip is a tried and true classic, and it's based on Jetboil's original PCS design. I'm going to show you what it's all about. The Zip is Jetboil's most affordable cooking system, and it's made for anyone who wants an ultra-efficient, no-frill system that focuses on backcountry boiling essentials. The great thing about unregulated systems like the Zip is it harnesses every ounce of flux ring technology. And that means you get ultra efficiency and rapid boiling for 3-season performance. Now the Zip's small size and weight make it incredibly easy to pack. It weighs just 12 ounces, and you can actually store a 100-gram jet power can, the burner, and the fuel stabilizer in here, which is really nice, makes it really packable. There's no reason not to bring one with you on a backcountry adventure or just to have in your truck when you need it. An adjustable 4,500 BTU burner and flux ring technology help keep the Zip super efficient. It'll boil 500 milliliters or 2 cups of water in just 2.5 minutes. And one of these 100-gram jet power cans will let you boil up to 12 liters of water depending upon conditions. Now match ignition also keeps the Zip super reliable and super simple. And what's match ignition? Well, you can also think of it as BYOB, bring your own Bic lighter. Now it comes with a 0.8 liter or 27 fluid ounce flux ring cooking cup and an insulated cozy. That makes it the perfect size for 1 or 2 people. It's also got all the features you'd expect from Jetboil, like a pour spout in the lid and then a bottom cover that actually doubles as a measuring cup or a bowl. So you've got everything you need to make a meal right here included with the Zip system. It's also compatible with a ton of Jetboil accessories, like the hanging kit, pot support, Summit skillet, Java press, flux ring cooking cup, and utensils. So all in all, the Zip is perfect for anybody looking for a lightweight and reliable cooking system that gives you everything you need and nothing you don't. you.